Welcome to How to Solve.
For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok missing eye icon. So here is a TikTok account that I got from Google. This will serve as an example for today. So you see, there is no eye icon in her account. So to fix this, first is to open your App Store and search for TikTok app. Make sure that you are running the latest version of the app and update if you have to. Then, check if it fixed the issue. But if it doesn't, open your TikTok app on your profile page, click the inbox below, and tap System Notifications. And see if there are any updates from TikTok on the profile view options. If there are none, go back to your profile page, then click the three lines on the upper right corner and tap on Settings and Privacy. And then scroll down to Report a Problem. Select the option Account and Profile, and under the profile page, tap Other. And on this page, click Need More Help. Then you will need to write here a message to TikTok community that you are missing the eye icon. And once done, click Report and wait for the TikTok community to contact you and fix the issue.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.